So the noise coming from that's actually this bearing cap. It's run dry. It's the end cap there. All I've done here is I put tape around the armature so that way we don't nick up those surfaces because it rides so close on that motor in there. But all I'm going to do, you really could get away by cleaning it, but I'm going to throw some wheel bearing grease in it. Some would argue that that's too heavy, but I've had luck with it. Including that fan there. Rebuilt the bearings in it, and it's been fine. Had to pull the wheel off to do it. That should be all you need to do this. It does not take much. That's all you need. It's pretty good right there. I can tell you right now when I took it apart, it did not work like that. That was pretty, that's pretty stuck. It was the front one that was going bad. Typically be the front one considering it's getting the load of the fan. And then this one obviously here is mostly sealed. Plus it sits on the back of the motor, so there's not a whole lot that really gets in there. See what that does. So motor put back together. Keep in mind too, if you do this and you end up fucking it up, it's not that much to replace it. This thing's probably worth $10, $12. It's a little 1 amp motor. So yeah, worth a try fixing for sure. It doesn't cost a whole lot to replace it if you do mess it up. Fortunately, this thing's threaded in here, so it will hold itself together just like this. And when you put it back in the fan, these bolts that are right, these bolts that are right here will hold it in there. I lied. So you need a 1/4 inch socket and a 5/16 socket and an impact wrench. That's pretty much it. Fan's bolted back in, plug's going right where it should. Got the 2 nuts on, so all we gotta do is put the blade back on now. The hub, rotor, assembly. Just a couple wax on there, only that much sticks off of it. Turns pretty damn good. Didn't turn that good last time. Guess let's plug it in, see what it does. Yep. Sounds about as good as new. I got to clean this fucking thing now.